through our entire ecosystem and get the depth of detail that even defines the entropy of an organ. We can look at endocrine systems, we can look at digestive systems, respiratory system, cardiac system, you name it, and defined into each and every organ so we can see the level of light that's there, the nature of the condition of the light, because it's also influenced by koshas. We refer the koshas in a more broader sense, we call them energy fields. We can look at a physical energy field, we look at an emotional energy field, we can look at a psychological energy field, and we can see a spiritual energy field. This is a simplified version. But that's the depth. But the depth of this goes directly into why is this person having fatigue? What are the triggers? And of course, in that earlier statement, what is within us is perfection. We look at the energy center, we look at the chakras, because every energy center, right from the Muladhara to the Sahasrara chakra, is connected to organ systems, musculoskeletal system, and this is known. There's nothing to be proven here. It is. And we can see very, very precisely not only alignment of system, but also how misaligned they are. Also, what are the size of the chakras? Because we have them under a classification of energy based in joules, which is a unit of measure in energy. So we can see very, very precisely whether there is a psycho-emotional disbalance in a person and what could be the triggers that are causing that psycho-emotional disbalance. Where could be the areas where they converge, to what organ systems do they converge, and ultimately what steps can be undertaken to really revive and ennoble this person to kick in their imaginal selves. So water becomes a very, very vital factor in our research, investigation, studies. We have since then, over the last almost 20 years, even designed systems corroborating the nature of nature itself into them, understanding the dimensions of frequency and vibration in living systems. Like we talk about the quartz crystal that you all saw earlier. There's a piezoelectric field that it leaves out. And these piezoelectric fields are very prevalent in nature. We are ourselves a piezoelectric field, because we are all actually a cosmic antenna that is continuously receiving and transmitting information.